are going to find some Armstrong number. Okay, so let's start doing. Then first of all we have to assign some variable of int type, just like number, r, sum, and you can take anything of your choice, and one more, just like temp. We can use temp everywhere. And now we have to run a loop, so I think for is better. और हम कहाँ तक फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हैं आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग नंबर? सपोज करो 100 तक, नहीं 100 छोटा पड़ जाएगा, सपोज 500 तक. ओके 500 इज फाइन, 500 और yes, suppose 500 तक, yes 500 is fine. And then we have to remove this and put it here num. Okay, and num is equal to 1. No, num equals to 1. Okay, and हमारा num चलेगा 500 तक. Great. और increment operator, that's so simple. Got it? अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं इस for loop के अंदर? First of all we have to assign the num into temp. Okay, num, then just assign 0 in sum, and again this is the time for loop. और ये लूप चलाएंगे हम जब तक हमारा temp है वो null ना हो जाए. हम 0 भी यूज कर सकते हैं. नाउ R है यहाँ पे, R में हम रख देंगे temp divided by modulus sorry temp modulus 10. And in temp we just have to update the value. Temp को temps modulo temp. Okay, every time this loop will run and temp's value will get updated also with R. Now sum also. Okay, yes, sum is equals to sum plus, just get a clear focus on this, R into R into R to R. Great. Now it's time for outside the loop. Now we will check if sum equals to num. तो हमारा काउंट करा दे num, सॉरी प्रिंट कर दे num. और set the width 2. ओके, हमें इसके लिए कुछ लाइब्रेरी असाइन करनी पड़ेगी क्या? देखते हैं, अगर एरर आएगा फिर कर देंगे. RHORN return 0. Now it's time to compile. Oh yeah, there is an error. Yes, we have to assign one more library here. Include IO main IP. That's it. And this header will provide parametric manipulations. That's so simple. And this set W will come under this library. That's why I just run this program. Okay, it's fine. So first of all we have to understand what is a Armstrong number. Okay, Armstrong number just like squares. If there is a more than one digit number and we have to find is this number is an Armstrong number, then just a square of every single place, every unit digit of number plus the another unit digit of number. Got it? No? So let's check out. So let's check out this step. 1 is Armstrong number, okay? 2 is Armstrong number, 3 is Armstrong number, 4 is Armstrong number, 5 is Armstrong number, 6 is Armstrong number, 7 is Armstrong number, 8 is Armstrong number, 9 is Armstrong number, and the next one is 153. Let's check out, is this Armstrong number? Then how we will check? Then check 1, okay? Repeat, is this a 3-digit number? Yes, 3-digit number. So 1 into 1 into 1, okay? And plus 5 into 5 into 5, great. And the next one is 2 into 2 into 2. Now just calculate this. If this one is equals to 152, then yes, this is an Armstrong number. Just calculate this. So 1 into 1 into 1, this one is 1, plus 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 5, 25 into 5, 125, okay, 125. And now 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8. And just count this, 9 or 4, this one is 4, 2, 1, 124 is off. 124 is not equals to 152, so this is not an Armstrong number. Great. Now, so what's the Armstrong number? Let's check out with 153. Okay, 1 into 1 into 1, same procedure. 5 into 5 into 5, plus 3 into 3, sorry, 3 into 3. Okay, let's count this. 1, 5 into 5 into 1, 25, plus 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27. And let's calculate this. So 7, 8 plus 5, 13, 3. Carry 1, 2 to 4 and 5, and there is 1. So great. Yes, this is an Armstrong number. This is an Armstrong number. So hope you get it, what is an Armstrong number and what's not.